Hello guys, it's Taguritable here with another bike check. Bike check. Anyway, I got some new parts, as you can probably obviously tell, and the new bike from the last video. So right now I'm riding the Eddie Cleveland 2 frame with, I'll just start up here at the bars. I got Stolen Vortex bar ends in orange, Eastern Fuquay flyer grips in white, Fit bars, they're 28 wide, so I think they're 8 rise, 28 wide. Fit stem, like I said, the Fit Eddie 2 frame. I got a Fit blade or shib fork in black, not for sure. Fit 2.3 FAF tire. And then I've also got a Revenge Industries rim with, I think it's a Fit hub, and I'm not sure what spokes. Same thing for the back there, 2.3 FAF tire, Revenge Industries rim, and that one I know is a Fit hub, still not sure on the spokes though. So then, going on back, Fit plastic pedals, those feel real good on your shins. Fit cranks, Fit bottom bracket, Fit 25-2 sprocket with one of my new parts, a mechanic half-link hollow track chain in white. And then I've got Fit railed seat with the Fit railed seat post. I cut that down so it makes it a little lighter. Really nice Odyssey seat clamp. And I think I got everything. I'm not positive though. It's running about 23 pounds flat still. Probably like 22.5, 22.7, 23, somewhere in there. So yeah, comment, rate, and subscribe.